Kasang Trinamul Congress na po Meghalaya, mantakasngi ka hendrotore ukalalungkar arajar arhulai, kalau Pynbna ki Kyrtong juki sanfu Ngut ki Kyrtong ki menyakon ya ke election MLA hakasnam arajar arhulai. Na pernah kini ki sanfu Ngut ki Kyrtong ki bala Pynbna mantakasngi ki kentup ya Dr. Mukul sangma. Menyakon ki arti ki Constituency kata na po songsak ba na po trit kila. Naro Dr. Mukul sangma ki Kyrtong ki bala pau ki long uba Charles Pengrup Presiden jongkat TMC Meghalaya. Ubah George Biang do bat kumjuru ki bepat ki Kyrtong ki badai ki MLA nak ni keseng kita kilong ke kurem jong Dr. Mukul sangma katikan di sira honju u kameni di sira para jokmu usanet sangma rangkat bat ki de ki Kyrtong nak ki babun teli ki Constituency ki bahap apa Gent Hills East Castle Hills West Castle South Castle bat kumjuru of Garo Hills nak district ki bala Pynbna mantakasngi ki Kyrtong ki bala pau tang ke Eastern West Castle District kata nama merang bat nama tarashan 4.8 pau setiai ki Kyrtong rangkat bagi hendutuli perkonstitusi ya ke bakasan kapat Pynbna ya ki Kyrtong. Haba kira bikin untuk khabar untuk Dr. Mukul sangma buat Charles Pengrup buat kui dia ki dalam jaga sang kira penpau bakat TMC kan lek bah akan dikelaksan ajar pulai nomor ba kam ke pada pen akan dikibenai ki beradab.
We have come to the conclusion, and this is the first list of the 52 probable candidates which fight the coming elections 2023 from the All India Trinamool Congress. Now, I will read out the list of the names. This will be constituency-wise. I start with 2 July, Mr. A. Andrew Shilai, who is the MDC. From 4 Mukayao, Mr. Lasting Suchiang. From 6 Clarion, Mr. Sunida Bare. From 7 Amlarem, Mr. Alban K. Gashna. From 8 Mauhati, Dr. Saralin Dorpan, Mrs. From 10 Jirang, Sri Sanmul D. Marat. From 11 Umsning, Gilbert Namru. From 12 Imroy, George B. Lingdo. From 13 Morinkaneng, Sri Banshan Lang Lawai. From 14 Pithormukra, Sri Sambor Lang Dingdo. From 17 North Shillong, Ms. Eljiva Gwenet Ninja. From 18 West Shillong, Sri Iwan Maria. From South Shillong, 19 South Shillong, Ian A. Lingdo Nongkuri. From 20 Millam, Sri Gilbert Guiding Star Lalu. From 21 Nongpamai, Sri Charles Pengrup. From 22 Nongkrem, Sri Jonas Jefferson Tyler Lamprang Lamarik. 23 Soyong, Studying Star Thaba. From 24 Mauplang, Mau Gordor Rinja. From 25 Mausadram, Sri Vincent T. Sangma. From 26 Shala, Sri Plinus Kyrtong. From 27 Penosla, Sri Edmund Kongai. From 28 Sora, Sri Harold Firmin Kongsit. From 29 Mokro, Sri Dondor Marbanyang. From 32 Nongstoin, Sri Macmillan Karbani. From 33 Ramrai Jirgam, Sri Fernandez S. Dakhat. From 34 Motion Road, Justin G. Momin. From 35 Ranikor, Sri Savio Prangsni Dakhat. From 36 Maupurat, Sri Sounder S. Kaji. From 37 Kharkuta, Sri Cherak Watre Momin. From 38 Mendipathar, Sri Parinan D. Shira. From 39 Resubel Para, Sri Ronaldo K. Sangma. From 40 Bajengdoba, Sri Tengrak R. Marak. From 41 Samsak, Dr. Mukul M. Sangma. From 42 Rongjeng, Sri Sengnam M. Marak. From 43 William Nagar, Sri Alphonsus R. Marak. From 44 Laksam Gray, Dr. Prabir D. Sangma. From 45 Tikrikala, Dr. Mukul M. Sangma. From 46 Fulbari, Sri S. G. Esmatul Mominin. From 47 Rajabala, Dr. Muhammad Mizanur Rahman Qazi. From 48 Salsala, Sri Agassi R. Marak. From 49 Dadingri, Rupa M. Marak. From 50 North Tura, Sri Rupert M. Sangma. From 51 South Tura, Sri Richard Murong Marak. From 52 Rangsapona, Sri Zaid M. Sangma. From 53 Ampati, Srimati Miani Dalbot Shira. From 54 Mahendraganj, Srimati Dikanchi Dalbot Shira. From 55 Salman Para, Sri Vinison D. Sangma. From 56 Gambegri, Srimati Sadyarani M. Sangma. From 57 Dalu, Sri Senkal A. Sangma. From 58 Rongra Siju, Dr. Rajesh M. Marak. From 59 Chokpot, Sri Lazarus M. Sangma. And from 60 Bagmara, Dr. Saljan Ringrang R. Marak. These are the initial names of the 52 candidates from the 52 constituencies. Thank you.
So the party will be fielding in all the 60 seats, the remaining seats?
Yes, that's right, all 60 seats.
What are the criteria in choosing the candidates?
Well, we have gone through a process which includes a lot of factors. And after a thorough discussion amongst our members of the senior members of the party and the committee, we have decided on these names.
So TMC has 11.
Not necessarily that everyone is aspirant. They choose not to be aspirant. So the more the merrier though, but then they choose not to be aspirants. I have already responded. There are multiple factors, but I think the factors which I can share with you is that overall demand as well as the felt necessary political strategy, and that's how we look at it.
So if you win in both the seats, which seats you will, relieve?
That is $1 million question. Nobody says that. Keep them guessing.
So was the decision taken to contest the two seats, whether you're unsure or equally?
You'll have to find out whether I'm unsure or I'm sure of both.
Whether somebody says it's because of your arrogance you have contested two seats.
Anybody can have their own, conclusion, but then we have no problem in others having different conclusion. It's done with utmost due diligence, with overall political whatever factors are considered to be taken into consideration. That's how it is.
How do you party look at now you have announced for 52 seats? But how many seats are anticipating to be? Now you have got started your groundwork.
We are expecting the people of the state to think for the secure future of the state. You'll have to ask them. They will be the right people to give the answers. But here, you see, issue is not just one. There are multiple issues. But the most important issues which we have to look at is the issue of the alleged irregularities and alleged corruption across all sectors, and the resultant fallout of lack of opportunity and unemployment. Then another part is the manner in which the voice of the people is not articulated and implemented, is to ensure that our personal liberty is not infringed upon by any policy decision or any new legislative attempt by any political party in the country. You have seen all these unpleasant stories, which were carried as headlines by all the newspapers, both local and national. And they are all available before the people. Now, what concerns the citizen of this country is infringing upon personal choice. Was without his knowledge, whose job it is, whose subject it is in as far as the law and order is concerned. Law and order is a state subject. Has the chief minister taken into cognizance any decision taken by the government employees, which is completely in deviation of any policy decision of the government? These are natural questions for every layman, for every common man, every concerned citizens. Religion is a personal choice. And this great nation has been able to create that whole avenue of perception that this is a nation where we respect personal choice, we respect personal liberty, and we don't only respect, we protect, we preserve and protect the personal liberty. And that is the part and parcel, the integral part of the constitution of the country. Therefore, it's incumbent upon us to ensure that we protect, under any circumstances, the personal liberty and the inclusive character of this great nation for the sustainability of the democracy that we so cherish.
How will
There were BJPs. But then we have demonstrated it's the wisdom of the people. Had they tried to supersede the, even before the mandate, the very basic tenets of democracy, it is something which offends it's quite offensive to the electorates itself. I would like to condemn this. This is a reflection of that dirty intent, dirty mind. I think people of the state should give them a befitting reply.
But you may recall even in 2018, the BJP played a major role in the formation of the NDA government, despite Congress winning the largest number of votes.
That's why you see what happens now. That's why you see the government which is a more remote control government. And the people of the states are paying the price. The state as a whole is paying the price. That's why the people don't want this reputation.
The BJP had also claimed that